All right, another jump. God's land. All right. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. Fernie, British Columbia, a town where single-track dreams end in dust-covered grins, and the smell of pine is so thick you can taste it. This morning we bled speed through the bike park, berms, bridges, and a little bit of blood, but the day was far from over. We're heading to a secret local spot just south of town, a spot that you would never notice unless you were in the know. We're traveling to a lake that's surrounded by a canyon that slices the plateau like a secret handshake. Down there, the water glows an incredible glacial blue. So vivid, it looks like the sky flipped itself upside down. This incredible lake is surrounded by cathedral peaks and is bordered by natural diving boards. These diving boards offer up 25 feet of hard-throat freefall. Not high enough to break bones, but just high enough to make you question your life choices on the way down. 15 minutes of hiking, one breath-stealing view, and a leap that tastes like adrenaline and snowmelt. Welcome to my favorite place in Fernie, British Columbia. Let's send it. Ready? All right. Yeah. We didn't do any of the big ones, but it's those hurt. I mean, this is already hurting. Ass is sore. My feet are sore. I'm wearing shoes. Like, I knew what was up. He's barefoot. Like, he's gonna have a rough day tomorrow. Just chewed. God, what a view. All right, another jump. God, come on. All right. Sent it, dude. Right on. I absolutely love this spot. The water's warm, crystal clear, and packed with fish, which is just awesome. The cliffs are that like perfect height where it's big enough to get a rush, but low enough that a botched landing won't ruin the trip. And these views, straight up breathtaking. But we got more day left. We're gonna get out of here because we're running a little late because we got more mountain biking to do, believe it or not. What a whack day, dude. Unreal. Anyways, next time you see us, we're going to be at the top of Contra. So hit the subscribe button and stick around. Next video drops soon.